Something.
Okay, please.
Hey, mommy.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Long time.
You need to go in the car. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Are you from a media house? Which media house? Which TV? Oh, okay. Hey, the time that was given was 1 o'clock, but then everybody is late. Miss Roti, buy my can't show you. It's why Uncle Foster and you come into Miss Roti. You intimate me 2 days ago. Yeah, I mean, I'm here press conference. Did I say? Me live. It's me number no crime use. I don't know the number. Yeah, I'll frame it.
Who do you go pen drive?
Miniamano. Any pen drive since me
Charger cable.
Charger cable, sir. Me the charger cable. I wanted them to copy from.
Yeah.
From my
USB for the TV.
Hello, Ghana. I'm in Ghana. Hello, everybody. I'm at GIJ Conference Press Center. So you can join in. We are going to the room very soon. That's Peace FM coming. Hello, Peace FM.
You are the one I called.
Ah, okay. I'm on live. So
okay. I thought you were selfie.
No, it's live. Okay, yeah, we are inside. Oh, I have low battery. I have no battery. No battery, that's what I have you. From which media house?
Joyce.
Yes, you look familiar though.
Yeah, I'm always commenting on your Twitter.
Are you from any media house?
Yeah, News Trust Online.
Oh, okay.
I'm always commenting on
but
your...
all of you are late. It's 1 o'clock and people look at the time.
Yeah,
hey, Ghana for.
Come on, bro. You have to take notice of me. I'm always commenting on your things.
Okay. Yeah, welcome.
So
Hello.
when did you arrive?
I arrived 2 days ago, but because I was scared, I kept quiet.
Scared?
People are saying they'll beat me and bring you this.
But you were celebrating.
Celebrating.
So,
No problem. Just say I said to.
Okay, we can start.
I'm on
bra. Oh, fine, yeba.
So then you call people to come out to stand behind us whilst we pour the libation.
Before we go in.
Then we enter, we can put libation inside. Oh yes.
But you can come inside.
Okay.
How was it? When I'm back there, I'm set up the camera. They want to set up their cameras. I don't know after setting up camera whether they'll move the camera outside again.
So then they have to do it outside before we move in.
It will be best if you come and explain to them rather than me explaining to them.
So
okay.
They want to cover. They want us to cover.
They want to pour libation before they go inside.
Cover the libation.
That's what he's saying.
is it allowed?
To pour libation. Yeah. No, but they are not cutting any, nothing bloody.
Yeah, it's about starting. But I'm not afraid. Yeah.
Hello, Ghana. Yeah, so you can come. GIG. There will be live HIV test. And then the Ghana phone you now who me HIV status. Yeah, so come. Oh, Salome, thank you. It is almost on the poor libation to the press should come outside.
Let me tell them if they will be interested to come.
Yeah, ask them. I even have to ask them whether they are going to do that. Because after setting up camera, they have to remove the camera again.
Okay, I don't know.
That's the question. So complicated. Kojo Dazi, greeting from Kenya. Thank you. Please, we are already late. Can you start coming? No, you said that if you can get only one media house, you do that. I'm going to set you up on camera.
The main station is in
Okay. But have they accepted to come and take over? Okay. Yes. What is it? That shoe is doing like this. My leg is not good. Yeah. Ah, okay. It's my microphone traditional listening. But they are going to talk. I'm not going to talk. Okay. Yeah, see, you have to do for them, not me. Yeah. Live. Hey, I didn't see this nose mask. Eh? I'm on live. I'm on Facebook Live. Ghana time. Everybody was late. My bag. Who is holding my bag? Okay.
Can you get yeah, I know. I feel it's a long man. It's a new
no, my baba.
No,
I'm a carry near when the media is seeing, everybody is seeing. Oh no.
Oh, okay. But you were now, so you start this way.
But I think some
people can come.
Yes,
Ah, okay. Please, we are starting from outside. Just a few minutes, then we come inside. So we are doing something briefly. Can you please come outside? I'm bad when you say alone here. You'll be at the back, please. Let me home.
Yes.
You know, come and hold the phone for me.
Madam, let me hold your phone for you.
Okay. It's on me like this. Can you turn it?
This thing is not, we are coming to pray. This is a traditional form of prayer.
Think
It has
that
nothing to do with juju.
No.
And also, people have different perceptions.
Which one is?
The whole thing.
What about? Okay.
Some of us should be behind us.
Is it your media?
Your media.
Most of them are saying that president.
Hey, what's your name? I told my child about I will never down and look at what Tom and Fair came. I won't walk you a minute on. Go out and give up your phone. Need Oh, you need. Yeah. I didn't know what more cotton in the blue. No more, you know, I'm not sure. Ni ekafeni wo chole perform campaign nji ekento adafi ke yan jemfe ni jemfe na ke shipo na ila ne ba ne ela phone die ni mo fia mo kana ekwomo ni mo fia mo ele be na ba e ba yin shi kian ela ne na etumo ne shi no tumo mi e kana shi be mo bibi comedy aba mi to mo bibi comedy aba mi e kana be ni to mo fe to mo ni ba je e gbe fan gbe na nye mo anya ke ala e cheme Egana, she and a woman, German name your money, Shepa Manami can unquality Yemo. Can you be commented on the Janakan? Can you be commented on the Janakan? One will be your chairman. Can come and be dinner. share me what do more. No more fair, no money what you here. Now, hey, I would say, now, my family don't go clear there. No more pure pay jack and I don't call it Chodo, doing what I want. Now, they can't let them fun. They got to my fair tomato. No, if I were Manjani, Ghana Mamuka, Jane Fair, let the Tomo. Let Tomo Fair Tomo with a Biakana. I'm walking. No more Biogina. Come on, maybe come on, you when being one yekiale, she won't be one yekiale, and I be one yekiale, what can be one yekiale. Again, I became a like another fossa. She got a few money out for no coin. Again, I can hear. Again, I know a Jordan, I come on Jolalo, Daddy. Where you want to go? Daddy. So, that's what I part behind me. What are me? Oh. They can wash out for let a Ghana ma fair. Now, a Ghana no quality. Shut not too much to more. Can't hear me on the Tomofio Goyaba. The Tomofio Goyaba. They can't end the Tomofair. One of your bed yagashi. Now, the Tomofio, the Tomoni eton. Now, you can't come and get more Yakiale. Now, when we get Kiale, and I be Yakiale, but you get Kiale. So we get Kiale, shall we be Yakiale, tell me the Yakiale. Now, I can't air your bed. I can't kill it. Come here, me name. But the mothers are fortunately, you can't kill all. I can't ever you and quite a trouble ever you. No, Nelly, can you win? Pamoshipon, can you wait? But don't show me. Can you like a great book? They can't know and quite ever year. They can't have a fear when you bought a no credit or need to buy you here. But if I will. Now, got to know how you are born. Now, I know my hair. Now, I know quite a lot here. You're more way. They cannot share the money. A channel job. A chat number John only about fear. She can share the money. Now, of your money into phone, you're a share the money. Get a little more to my gun and a Johnny. They cannot John or John, I can more John by me. They cannot more. A one more. I got come in our more year. I got to in our more year. I get them in our more. They can not soak a soa. Penny, a young half a no more now. A dear half a no. Try to have a fair.
Please, let's go inside. No, if can you still hold it when you're inside? Is it possible?
Yeah, but I don't know what role I'll play inside. You want to hold it?
I should do it with my phone, then I send it to you.
No, it's live.
Ah, okay.
Facebook live, so don't edit. Where's your grandmother?
Be a corner.
You can be documented with me. You come. Let's watch it.
But I think okay, that's what I initially I'm going to come.
Ladies and gentlemen, please respond.
Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Joyce Jomensa. Former Ghana Ace Ambassador. Okay. So the purpose of this gathering today is to